females are born with all their immature egg cells. From puberty onward, they experience a monthly menstrual cycle or period. One main purpose of this cycle is to prepare the lining of the uterus, womb, to receive a fertilized egg. If fertilization does not occur, the thickened lining breaks down and leaves the body as menstrual blood and tissue during menstruation. How the menstrual cycle works. The cycle is controlled by hormones produced by the pituitary gland and ovaries. The pituitary gland releases follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, which causes immature eggs inside the ovarian follicles to mature. FSH also stimulates the ovaries to produce estrogen. Estrogen thickens the lining of the uterus in preparation for pregnancy. It also reduces the production of FSH and stimulates the pituitary gland to release luteinizing hormone, LH. Around day 14 of the cycle, LH triggers ovulation, the release of a mature egg from the ovary. The egg travels through the oviduct or fallopian tube toward the uterus. Fertilization may occur in the oviduct if sexual intercourse has taken place. After ovulation, the empty follicle becomes the corpus luteum. Stimulated by LH, the corpus luteum releases progesterone. Progesterone maintains and further thickens the uterine lining, making it suitable for implantation and development of an embryo. It also inhibits the release of FSH and LH, preventing further ovulation. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum breaks down and stops producing progesterone. As progesterone levels fall, the uterine lining breaks down and is shed through the vagina during menstruation. If fertilization occurs, the corpus luteum continues producing progesterone, so the uterine lining is maintained and menstruation does not occur. A missed period is often the first sign of pregnancy. Later in pregnancy, the placenta takes over the production of progesterone from the corpus luteum.